Hello and welcome to the Bong Wanderers channel. This vlog is about the property review of Bhimli Resort by Novotel, Accord Group of Hotels. So in this vlog you would get to know about the property. We will show you in and around the property. We will also give you a room tour and you will get an idea of the different facilities and amenities this resort provides. And of course there will be Bong Wanderers patent pros and cons. So stay till the end of the vlog to know if this is your place of stay in future. Before showing you the inside of the property, let me tell you that here you do not have a valet parking facility available. It's a self parking, as they say. So you basically will drive if you are coming by road by yourself. So you will basically get your car over here, offload your luggage, and then you have to park your own car. These steps would lead you to the inside of the property. Before you enter the property, let me show you what happens if you take a quick left. It has a pretty lawn over here. It can be used for birthday or private occasions as well. But in the evening, you can actually sit here, have your cuppa or a chilled beer and enjoy the mighty Bay of Bengal. Now let's take you inside the property. Thank you. All right. We are filming this on a Friday, so it's a busy reception area with lots of guests checking in. But this is pretty much how the reception looks like. The check-in process is smooth, agile, and you get a warm welcome with Indian vermilions and coconut water once you reach here. In case you're wondering what I'm trying to show you, it's just a robot meant to probably make the kids happy, and you have ample such things. In their dining area, their reception actually extends into the dining area of this property. It also comes with some indoor games. As you can see, kids are enjoying some indoor games, and then beyond that you have the dining place with the in-house bar. They have buffet as well as a la carte available, and while booking your stay over here you can opt for rooms with breakfast facilities available. Further extending into another set of sitting area, a very decent and wide buffet spread, both for morning, breakfast, dinner and lunch. What you can see right now on your screen are the different amenities or facilities that this property provides. So as you can see, they're ample for you and your family to stay busy. We are at the 5th floor, which also has the swimming pool of this property. It's an infinity pool. And they have a Japanese restaurant as well on the 5th floor. It goes by the name Teppanyaki. Wow, that's quite a lovely view there over here. That's the inside of their Teppanyaki restaurant. It specializes in Japanese cuisine. It has a restaurant and a bar, and it's quite beautiful. I'm sure the ambience will change in the night and you guys will love it. Okay, so this is a place where you can also lounge around and relax. If this place is has not been rented for any functions or occasions, there is a rabbit feeding activity for kids that happens in the evening from 4 to 5 p.m. Okay, Mr. Banerjee is waving at me and calling me to see something. Ah, birds. What do we have here?
See, this is the ground. Look.
Okay.
Calm down around this.
Oh, beautiful birds. Nice. Outdoor gym area and ample cycles for you and your kids. And like I said, they have long tracks over here, and one goes inside that park to do cycling. Of course, during summertime, it's better to be done either early morning or late evening. Brown ducks. They have a mini zoo here, guys. Yeah, I know. It's hot. My name? We are Bong Wanderers, ma'am. We have come from Hyderabad. Actually, we are going back to Hyderabad. Yeah, thank you for wishing us a pleasant stay. Right now, I'm getting into a space they call Buddha Enclave. I see a lovely Buddha statue over there. It's so cool, so serene. Wow. This is the lift area, and that is our room, and this is the view across our room. You get to see glimpses of the city in and around Bhimli. I'm not sure if you can see a temple. It's quite far away, but it presents a nice view. Alright, so here is your favorite room tour. I'm just standing at the passage, so this is the door, and that's the passage that you get once you enter the room. You have two cupboards as you enter on your right, where you can stock up your things. Oh, they have given nice slippers. I like it. You usually get the clothes.
Reusable sleepers. That's a good. That's a first.
Okay. So, and then you have space to dump your luggage. We are hiding ours. And then you have more storage spaces. So, the passage then leads to the bedroom. Okay, sorry about that, but the reason I'm doing this is because we stayed in another hotel at Vizag when we were going to Kolkata, the park, and the space of that hotel was literally like, that's it, and the room ended. But here you can see that we can actually play football, and this is one of the reasons we chose Bhimli. We stayed in Bhimli 2 years back. So this is your bedroom. It's spacious, literally spacious. I mean, we are three of us with our furry baby, and we can literally play football over here. You have, what you get in the bedroom is you get the bed, you get two side tables, and then you get a lounger next to the bed, and a chair, a relaxing chair, a coffee table, and ample space to walk around, right? Now on the other side of the bed, you get a long study table, lot of clutter, thanks to us, I mean, we have checked in. So you get a elongated study table, and of course a television, and then just next to the study table, you have their pantry, and this is basically their pantry area. So you have the coffee station as well as you have the pantry, and I can see some chocolates and beverages. Nowadays I hardly get to see anything in the
It was there the last time also when we came here. So we
During
visited.
COVID.
Yeah, during COVID.
We visited this place in 2021. We literally loved this place that time as well. And I'll tell you one of the main reasons why we loved, there are two reasons why we loved this property. One is this, the space that they give in the room, and I'll show you the other one. Coming up on your screen in 3, 2, 1. The second reason for choosing this property is this balcony that you get, and what you can't see, maybe you can't see right now because it's night time, is you get to see the sea from here.
You can hear the sea already.
You can hear the sea already, but you can also get to see the sea, and I'll show you tomorrow morning how this balcony actually looks like. It looks so much better, airy, sunny, and you get such a wonderful view. You can actually spend a lot of time with your family, relax with such an amazing view. This is how the balcony looks like in the morning. You saw how the balcony is in the night. And you get a good view of Bhimli beach from your balcony. No need to go anywhere. You can just sit in this balcony for hours and your day is made. Okay, this is pretty much the washroom. Very small, compact. I think it's fine. I mean, could have been better if it's a little bit bigger for a family like us. But ठीक है, चला लेंगे काम.
And one quick thing that you must know
Yeah.
is that if you're in some naughty mindset, you can also do this. These are two switches, one up and one down, and when you press the up switch, the entire curtain raises. And you know what all possibilities with the mirror screen. Well, we'll put it down.
Okay, we are a family, so we will live like a family. We have a kid, so yeah. So we will put the curtain down. So that's a quick view of the washroom. Let me summarize Bhimli for you. Bhimli Resort is Novotel Accords 4-star luxury property at Bhimli. So it's not at Vizag. It's a beachside property, but it doesn't have its own beach. It's just across the beach. You just have to cross the road. It's a 7-year-old property with 28 rooms. There are 3 kinds of rooms available over here. One is a basic room, which they call a deluxe room. Another is a deluxe executive room. And the third one is deluxe panoramic room. Now, all these rooms are sea-facing rooms. The only difference is the level at which these rooms are. So, the basic rooms are at lower levels. The deluxe executive rooms are at a higher level, 4th and 5th. And the deluxe panoramic rooms are the ones at a higher level and at a corner. Those are the corner rooms. In terms of the facilities that you have in these rooms, I am told are mostly similar. Probably these executive and panoramic rooms come with some amenities which are more than the others. You can see the tarif at their site. They have 2 restaurants. One is their all-day dining restaurant and another is a Japanese cuisine-based restaurant. And they have a 19-seater mini theater. Now, let's talk about pros and cons.
Let's start with the pros of this property, Bhimli Resort. The first and foremost is if you love staying away from the madness, this is your property. It's secluded right on the beach, though it does not have its own beach, but the view are awesome. So secluded property, awesome view on the beach with the direct beach access. Point number 2, it's kind of a cozy place with good staff, well-behaved staff, pet-friendly staff, and you don't have to walk outside of the building to have your food or any other necessity. So everything is within the house. Third thing, if you are getting your family and your children, there are multiple things to do. Lots and lots of activities. They have a different enclosed huge area that has multiple activities, including cricket match, birds, rabbits, and so many other things. So your children is always occupied. Cycling, gliding, exercising, everything is there, right? The other fourth good point is that their food is good, their rates are not skyrocketing, and it has a very easy access from NH16, which was very easy for us. So all in all, great place and great way of staying.
Now let's talk about the cons. Honestly, there aren't many to talk in this segment, and which is a good thing, right? Let's start with the location. Yes, while the location is part of one of the pros, the location could be a cons for you if you prefer to stay at Vizag, because this property is a 25 minutes drive from Vizag, which means if you want to go and visit Vizag or places at Vizag, and if you're not okay driving 25 kilometers, then this should not be your choice of property. Second is their parking space. So they do have a parking space, but it's only self parking. So there is no option of valet parking. One. Second is this property directly opens up on the road. It doesn't have its driving porch, which means that if you are coming to this property in your own car, then you literally have to stop the car at the main gate, which is directly on the road. You have to offload your luggage on the road. Of course, there will be staff from the hotel who is going to take your luggage and take it inside, but you have to offload those luggages on the road, and then you have to take the car through the back gate into the parking area. So if it rains, then it could be inconvenient for you. That's something I think they have to work on. It's a pet friendly hotel. The staff is quite pet friendly, but the pets are only allowed in the room and in some of their open areas. Now it doesn't have like a huge spread of in terms of its greenery or green space, so you do not get much option to take your pet around, but they do allow the pet in some open areas. The one thing which we really did not like, and we strongly urge Bhimli Resort to revisit this, is that they do not allow you to take your pet through the main gate, through the main entrance and in the reception area. So if you are with the pet, no matter how many times you take your pet out of the room for walks and all of that, every time you have to take the lift, go to the basement and take the pet out of the property through the back gate only. So it kind of appeared a little discriminating, something that we did not like. And probably if I have to think through only one thing that we really did not like, it's this thing. So that's a wrap on the con section. Hope you found the content meaningful, and hope this will help you to decide if Bhimli will be your place of stay. If you are a pet family and if you love to stay in secluded areas, and if you love to get up and see the sea, I think this should be a perfect choice for you. It's a beautiful property with beautiful people. So we definitely urge you to give this a try. Rest, you heard the pros, cons, and you saw the property. So it's up to you. Thank you, our subscribers, for subscribing us, and those who are yet to, would be great if you subscribe our channel. Keep watching this space for similar meaningful content. Until the next vlog, signing off from the Bhimli Resort. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. Love you.